Okay, it's a little noisy, but we are gonna get. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Hamza. Well, we're gonna do a little bit of live trading today, it seems like, and the reasoning for that is I haven't been live in quite a while, and it seems like the market is starting to slowly recover. Now, that being said, if you guys read the title, you guys realize that we still do have a little bit of that sell in May and go away fear. We're just gonna wait for a few people to log in, and then we're gonna take it from there, and we're gonna see what we can do and how we can make some money. I don't know what screen you got. Let's just open this real quick and see what is going on here. Things are happening. Okay, PLTR, I think we're making money on those calls, which is good. Okay, good morning, Lakeland, Florida. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up, Kevin? We're just gonna fix a few things here, and then we're getting ready to get started. Okay, good, excellent. All right, we're almost ready, guys. We're almost ready. Okay, we're looking at a few things. Things are looking all right. Can't complain too much. And okay, hold on, let me just fix this as well. All right, hello, what's up, guys? Okay, we're getting ready. PLTR looks like we're already making a little bit of money. We're up. Let me see, how many percent are we up? We're up about 4% on PLTR. I think that was a good call. Hey man, I'm doing good. Ramadan is going well. Things are looking good. We're back to trading, and hopefully, hold on, let me just fix everything. And we're back to trading, and we're going to be trading. I'm going to be trading for the next, I don't know, hour or so. I have my my alerts opened up. I have everything that I need opened up. I have my screeners opened up as well, and I think we are ready to make a move. Apple making a move today. We did see that. Let's take a look at what Apple is doing. I didn't jump into Apple, unfortunately. I was looking to jump into it earlier this morning. I think it may be a little late to get into Apple. Just look at that move since open. So we have had quite a move. We did enter Tesla. We did buy some Tesla at 690. So we're making some money on Tesla as well. We're up almost 1%, which is great. And we are, that's kind of where we're at right now. So we're going to be looking at that. We're looking at a couple of things, a few things, and we are ready. So we're making money in Tesla. We're making money on the PLTR calls. We're still cautious. We're still cautiously trading away. The volume is not where we would like it to be. I know that the Qs are at like an all-time high, or almost at an all-time high. But I think we are going to trade cautiously just to make sure that we can make some money. Hey, what's up, guys? What's up? Okay. All right. By the way, don't forget, for those of you who are members or who are subscribers, we are having the live iftar today, where we're going to talk about the market. We're going to talk about a couple of things. We're going to talk about what I think is going to happen in May. And May, historically, for those of you who don't know, has been an underperforming month in the stock market. But now we have crypto. And we have a couple of things in play that are kind of new. So, we're going to talk about all that stuff, because we need to cover all of it. Okay. All right. I'm looking at like a bunch of screens right now. So let's just see what's happening next and where we will end up today. What's up, everybody? Time to make some money in the markets. Let's do it. Let's make some money. I think going live is actually good for me. It gives me a space to talk to you guys, and kind of helps me out as well, because you guys are looking at ticker symbols maybe that I'm not. Any ticker symbols you guys want me to look at, put them in the comments. I'll take a look at them. Let's see if we can, take a look at some of those ticker symbols that you guys want to look at, because I know there's a lot of comments around ticker symbols and whatnot. So that's something for sure that I do want to consider. Also, my studio is almost going to be ready, which means we are going to be going live every single day very, very soon. I'm very excited about that. I'm very excited to be making money, to be trading. Portfolio is up. We were down to, I think, $139,000. We're back up to almost $160,000, which is good news for us. And you know, I think it's going to be slowly uphill from here. BNGO is not looking good. There's actually a BNGO is not, as a company, I have a lot of faith in BNGO, and BNGO is a large portion of my portfolio. As you all know, BNGO and NNDM together are probably about 30% of my entire portfolio. Now the thing with BNGO and NNDM, both, it seems like they move together, and we haven't had the rotation back into growth stocks just yet. So specifically as a company, they're great. We just need a little bit of rotation back into small cap. So what's going to end up happening now, or what I foresee happening, is that large cap is going to make the first move. And as people start making money in large cap, that is when we're going to see rotation in the small caps, if that makes any sense for you guys. VXRT, let's take a look at VXRT. Can I trade that here? I don't even know if I can trade that here. We'll take a look at it. I should open up, probably open up Webull. That would probably be a little better to take a look at some of these charts. Is this a SPAC? No, it's not a SPAC. Okay, so VXRT going down. Wow, look at that. On April 26th, we had a huge move. It seems like we have had a huge pullback. Seems like this may be a good opportunity for reversal. Past month, it's up about 50-something%. I personally don't know much about the company, so I'm gonna look at it. You know, actually, now that I think about it, I think somebody had talked about VXRT just yesterday to me, and I can't remember who it was, but somebody had mentioned VXRT to me just yesterday, and they were mentioning that it may be a good time to start looking at it as a company. I personally I'm not too involved in biotech just yet. I'm just going to look at what my screener points out, alerts. I'm going to tell you guys what I'm in, and I think what I'm in right now, let me tell you guys what I'm in right now. I'm in Apple, Disney, Facebook, GSAH, the Goldman Sachs SPAC. I think there's going to be a merger coming in. OCGN is a good buy, I think. Let's take a look. I haven't followed it in quite some time, but let's take a look and try to follow it and see where OCGN is going to be. $15. It's actually a little high. Let's take a look at the RSIs and the MACDs and see. It is, you know, actually it is dipping. The RSI is dipping to the, it's still in the overbought, but it is coming down, which means it could be a good opportunity to actually buy this a little longer term. Now, of course, it has gone up. I mean, look at just for the day. Let's take a look at what today is looking like. It's up 18%. So obviously we missed that run, but we are going to continue to monitor OCGN for sure. Buy some day trade. We are going to buy some day. We actually did buy some day trades for today. Let me tell you guys what we bought. So we bought PLTR. We bought this call right here for today. It is green. And you'll notice that all the newer trades are green. All the older trades, the growth stock phase trades, will be red. These are my day trades. So I have Macy's for today. We're up 0.5%, and I have Tesla. We are also up 0.5%. So I did buy Macy's earlier in the morning because I thought there was good opportunity there, and I bought Tesla as well because I thought there may be a little bit of opportunity there as well. Let's take a look at Netflix. I think Netflix would be a good, maybe something to look at right now because it just popped up on one of my screeners. Let me take a look at Netflix really quickly. So 10:14, 10:17. We are in fact at 10:18. Okay, so Netflix is up. We did miss that little slight run on Netflix. Well, it wasn't slight by any means. It was actually quite a run. But we did miss that run on Netflix. It's looking good. It's looking good for those of you who got into Netflix. That's good. But we are. That's kind of what we're looking at. BTX. By the way, BTX was another one of those stocks. I don't know why it went up so much or what the hype was around it. I personally am not going to get involved in BTX, but I do know that BTX was one of those companies that went up like crazy since April. Like since in the last 15 days, the growth has just been phenomenal. I just feel like we would be chasing it at this point, which is something I don't want to do. So we're gonna hang out and wait on BTX and see what we can end up with. Okay, what else? ARC, we are down. All my long-term, so this is my long-term portfolio, guys. ARC, we are down. ARC X, we are down. ARC G, we're down. ARC W, we're down. We're not down by much, but we are down because these are all the newer trades, more recent trades that we made. So we are down a little bit, not that much. As you can see, we're down about 20% in PLTR. So that's not really TKAT. For day trades, I did trade TKAT yesterday or before yesterday. So if you remember, I believe you should have received an alert. I did trade it over the past few days. It was a successful trade for me. So that was something really cool. Okay, let's see what else we can look at. Let's see if there's anything else we can kind of quickly get in and out of, because that's kind of what we want, right? Okay. It's been a while on the portfolio since we hit the 160 mark on the portfolio. So it has been a while, and okay, so it has been a minute since we hit the $160,000 on this portfolio. And like I said, TKAT, we did trade that for quite some time. Okay, let's see where we're gonna end up. I think our PLTR calls are doing very well, which is good. That means PLTR is picking up, and we are seeing a little bit of a reversal in all the ARCs as well. So I think the market as a whole does look like it is going up. Okay, let's see. Let's see where we end up. I think I'm gonna buy 50 shares of this. Okay, so we did add MBIO to the portfolio as well, as you guys can see. Nothing much, nothing major, just small. I'm not in the mood to play big today, guys. I'm just gonna be buying stuff here and there and trying to get out of it as quickly as possible. Okay, that's the plan. I'm just trading for an hour. I need to get back to my real estate, my project, and so we're gonna do a little bit of quick stuff and then just get out. That's the plan. That's the plan. Hello, welcome everybody. It's time to make a little bit of money, I guess. All right, what else do we have going on that we could talk about? All right. All right. Well, we are looking at quite a few things over here. BIVI, let's take a look at BIVI. I don't mind. I'll take a look at BIVI. I know lots of biotech stuff coming back in the market. Wow, look at that. Look at that run. It's up 4%. Lots of gapping. That means there's, okay. This is probably bot triggered sale right here, and then there was a buy right here, but the buy is towards the bottom of the candle, so we are gonna wait a little bit to come back to BIVI. Let's go back to Apple, see if it cooled down a little bit, because we are waiting. If Apple were to cool down a little bit, I think we would jump into Apple today. I think there's some money to be made in Apple as well. So we're gonna wait and take a look at that and see if we can jump into Apple at all today. We did buy MBIO just now, guys. MBIO is a stock that I usually jump in and out of. It's almost like a secure, more secure type of trade for me. So that's kind of where that's at. PLTR looking good. What else over here? So Macy's, I am actually gonna get out of Macy's. I think we made our. I think we did end up making what we wanted to in Macy's, so we're out of Macy's for now. Like I said, that was something that we picked up earlier in the morning. So we're out of Macy's. We are in PLTR, MBIO, and Tesla as of right now. And Tesla is green. We're still holding, and we're gonna continue to hold. Let's see what this reversal looks like. Actually, you know what? Let's just set a stop loss on Tesla, because you know our stops kind of need to be. We need to be safe. Actually, you know what? It is looking like it is coming down. We are gonna get out of Tesla as well. Okay, sell Tesla. Hold on, what am I doing? What's going on over here? Buy Tesla, sell Tesla, sell all. It does look like we're just gonna do a market order really quickly. Actually, you know what? Forget the market order. Let's do a stop loss order right here at 697.85. Okay, we're gonna do a stop loss right here. We have one share. Review order, and then sell, because we don't want to lose, right? We're not here to lose money. So we just set a stop loss on Tesla, and we're gonna see if it triggers. It triggers. If it doesn't trigger, we're gonna continue. We're gonna continue to go on with Tesla. MBIO. Let's go back into MBIO. I think it is moving. MBIO, our cost is 323. Current price is 322. So we're gonna continue to look at that. OCGN. Let's take a look at OCGN. OCGN is doing good, guys. OCGN, for those of you who got in it, you guys are killing it. For me, I'm not gonna chase OCGN just yet. It was at 15. It was at 15 when we looked at it earlier today, and it is currently at 15.46. So it's up a little bit since we looked at it earlier today, which is good, which is great. What else do we have? We exited our Macy's position. We may re-enter Macy's, just depending. We exited Macy's at 17.18. It is currently at 17.18. Looks like it's trending upwards. Let's take a look at the RSI and the MACDs really quickly. It is coming down, but then going back up into the overbought. So we're gonna hold. We're gonna just wait. We're gonna wait on Macy's and see if we can enter Macy's again. OCGN looking good, guys. Are you guys trying to make me buy OCGN? You know, I'm gonna hold off on that for just a second. What else? Let's look at MUDS. MUDS was looking good. Yes, Friday. I forget today's Monday. MUDS was looking good on Friday. Let's take a look at what MUDS is doing right now. And well, you know, it's not looking too bad. It's up 3.5%. So we were in MUDS last week. By the way, Nokia. Yeah, Nokia is crushing it. And we actually have stock in Nokia, which is amazing because our cost average in Nokia is right here, 511, and we are only 5%. So I didn't expect Nokia to hold that. By the way, since last week when Nokia skyrocketed, I did not expect it to hold this position, but it seems to be holding it, which is great. Our cost average is, like I said, 511. There does seem to be some movement. There is. I don't know what the catalyst is on Nokia. I haven't been following Nokia for quite a while. Okay, so let's take a look here. What else do we have going on? Google is actually coming back up. That's good, because Google did come down a little bit when market opened. It is coming back up. That's good. All right, what else we got going on? How's everybody's day? What do you guys think is going to happen with the market? Let's talk about what you guys think is going to happen to the market. So it is May, and as you all know, we do have a lot of underperformance historically in May. A lot of people call May the month where, you know, sell in May and go away. What are your thoughts on that? What do you think is going to happen this year? And what are your thoughts on May moving forward? I'm just intrigued. I want to know. So PLTR calls performing well. MBIO, we are down almost 1%. We are going to continue to chase MBIO down as it does move. UXIN. Okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look at UXIN and see the craziness. Because oh my God, look at that. That is crazy. This is a crazy move up here. This is really good. NI, NI, NISN. Let's take a look at it. Also up 13%. Wow, this is beautiful. But this is right at open, right? So that's gonna be something that we are going. Well, it's still continuing to go up. It's still continuing to go up, guys. This is pretty good. Nokia did okay. So Nokia crushed earnings. Well, if they crushed earnings, what I would anticipate is that the stock will hover at this price and then go back down at some point in May. Just depending on what kind of volume we're going to see in Nokia, right? Nokia has been a great stock. I had 100 calls on Nokia a while ago. I ended up selling them, getting out of it. I regret that for sure. But you know what? Today's a new day. There's new opportunity, and we're going to try to see if we can get into things that we like. Let's take a look at JPM. I'm really liking the banking sector right here. Okay, I'm going to pick up some JPM right here, guys. Maybe 5 shares. Let's do 5 shares. That's $769. Let's pick up. I'm picking up some JPM. Let's see. Let's see what happens. So I just picked up some JP Morgan Chase. I am, like I said, guys, I'm trading light today. I don't want to get aggressive. My buying power is only $20,000. So let's see what ends up happening with the trades. Okay, I am looking at my screen. JPM is up, MBIO is down almost 1%. So let's see what we can do. And you know, buying large cap is probably a better idea, just to to start off the day lightly. What's up everybody? Okay, let's see what else we got going on here. Well, we don't have much going on here. Let's see. Is anybody in IBM? Has anybody looked at IBM over the past few days? I was in IBM last week. How do you feel about real estate market right now? The capital gains tax and the 1031 exchange. That's a great question. I was actually discussing this with one of my advisors yesterday, and it seems like the capital gains bill and the 1031 exchange, wording is going to get watered down. That's what the word is on the inside. So everybody's saying that although the bill is very aggressive right now and it's a little scary, to be honest, in true reality we are looking at things to get watered down. Nobody wants to hurt the economy. I mean, Biden may not be a businessman, but I'm sure he has advisors who are very successful people. And I'm sure they're going to water this bill down to make sure that the American economy stays strong, because this could literally be one of those things that causes the economy to collapse, and I don't think that's something that people want right now. We've had a difficult 2020, and 2021 is getting better, but we're not where we should have been, if we didn't have this pandemic. So that's definitely something that we kind of have to understand and take into consideration. In my opinion, the media and the news just like to create hype on things that are really just there's no need for hype to be created on. So that's my opinion. What do you guys think that is going to happen in real estate? By the way, for those of you guys who aren't subscribers, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button as well for the YouTube algorithm. We are trading live. We just bought some JPM, we bought some MBIO. What else did we buy? I don't know what else we bought, but this is what we have right now for as far as our day trades. We are up, by the way, on Ethereum. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we are up on Ethereum, and we are also up on Doge and Bitcoin. Now, Doge, I did actually remove all my equity, so this is just free. I have 26 tokens, and they're free basically for me. And I did that in a matter of a couple of minutes. So I'll add once it goes down, but as of right now, this is kind of what it's looking like for me. Where is Ethereum, man? Ethereum profits are crazy right now. 3,100. Who thought that Ethereum would hit 3,100 and hold 3,100? It almost looks like it's consolidating for the day at 3,100. That's just insanity right there. Ethereum, once again, a very large component of this portfolio. I'm gonna probably lose money on a couple of options of mine, and I've come to realize that it is what it is. As far as BNGO, NNDM, Snow, for whatever reason, Fubo and Clove, for whatever reason, these are, you know, portfolio favorites over here, and they're just not performing, which is okay, We're gonna see rotation into them once we see consolidation at the large cap level. So that's kind of something that we are expecting, and that's kind of something that we're gonna keep expecting until that happens. So what's up everybody? Okay, let's see what else we got. So I got a couple of screens that I'm working right now in order to kind of make decisions. So let's just see. You know, we started off slow. We're gonna continue and see if we can get in. I want to see if I can get into Apple, honestly. I think Apple is gonna be a great investment for us. We just need it to cool down a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't hit that 134. If it does, I mean, we're already in Apple on the option side, so that's okay. But if Apple hits 134 today, then I think the next level up would be 137. FDX popped up just now. Let's take a look at FDX, all-time high. Oh wow, look at that. That's beautiful. Look at that. This is absolutely gorgeous. FedEx hitting an all-time high today. That's great news. Let's look at the 1 week. So from 290 all the way to 303. That is pretty good. Let's look at SMH real quickly as well. What do we have here? SMH actually looking, semiconductor ETF looking good. It may be a good opportunity to jump into it. I'm not gonna jump into it just yet, but it's looking like it may be a good opportunity to jump into it. Telcoin. Let's take a look at Telcoin. Is what is that on my Coinbase account? Because yeah, it's not gonna show up on Robinhood, man, for sure. Hey yeah, what's up guys? You guys ready to trade a little bit? I have a little bit of time today. Now the thing is, I am going to be going live, of course, more often, and well, every day actually. I want to do a little bit of pre-market, maybe a little bit of trading as well, and then I want to do a little bit of post-market and keep you guys updated, because I do feel like the market is starting to recover. We are seeing a little more volume than we were earlier this month, or earlier last month rather. So things are kind of looking good. I'm working on 3 office warehouse business parks in Texas, and all of them are $15 million plus projects. So it's a total combined of about $45 million worth of projects that I'm working on right now in real estate. Also, my house is almost done, so I'm gonna be out of this place and in my house hopefully fairly soon. So my house's closing is scheduled for May 13th. They did say that it may be a little delayed, which is okay. Delayed by 1 week, which is fine, not a big deal. And you know, that's kind of where things are right now as far as closing. Okay, what else is going on, guys? We did buy some JPM earlier. I'm looking at I like BTWN as well. Let's take a look at BTWN and see where it's at. It's been at 1050 for quite a while. It's been consolidating at this price point. Of course, you know, 1040 to 1050 is not that big of a jump, but you know, it has been consolidating. It had hit $12 just, you know, within the month, and of course $17 on Feb 19th, which was the day, by the way, that this portfolio was at its highest. So that's kind of, you know, that's kind of what we're going to be looking at. We're going to be trading. We're going to be doing a little bit of light trading. I don't see a reason for us to like jump into the market like crazy. So MSOS just triggered the signal. Lots of volume coming into MSOS. Let's take a look at that. Cannabis, that means, must be making a move. Let's take a look at SNDL and Tilray, and we'll take a look at all of them and see how they are performing. So SNDL actually looking very good. What do you guys think of SNDL? Do you think it's garbage? You think it's worth investing in as a company, or do you think it's garbage? Tell me, because SNDL, I feel like is definitely looking good to buy, and Tilray is also looking good to buy. It's down 5% today. Marijuana as a whole looks like it's down. So why is MSOS seeing volume? That's strange. So this is one of those things where the ETF kind of moves before the stock, or there may be some news that hasn't hit the marijuana market just yet. It may be actually worth looking into then. In that case, let's go back, look at SNDL, see where the RSI and the MSI and the MACDs are. Now the thing is, of course with Robinhood, you guys need to realize that this is not really technical. I mean, and this is like a very very beginner level charts. I just do this because it's easy, and my YouTube challenge account is on Robinhood. That's the only reason that I use the Robinhood charts. But otherwise, of course, we all know that this is garbage. But it's easy. It makes for easy content, and it's kind of easy for me to present it as well. And it's all visible on the screen, right, on one screen. So SNDL looking like maybe a good buy. I don't know. Let's take a look at the weekly on SNDL. It is trending downward, I won't lie. So the 1 month is trending downward as well. So Feb 19th is kind of where we want to go back to. So let's go back to Feb 10th is where SNDL was $3. So that's crazy. Still fairly rock bottom right now. Hey. Yep, that's kind of where we're at. So SNDL actually, I mean, if how it seems like it's at pretty much a 3-month low just right now. I mean, I'm looking at numbers from Feb, and it was over $1. And it seems like, I mean, this is like an all-time low, I think, in the last 3 months. Let's look at the 1 year and see where the 1 year is at. So I mean, of course, the 1 year from October of last year, it does indicate that we have a little bit of room to run. I wonder what the moving averages look like on this, because I feel like it may be an interesting time to jump into this stock. I don't know. So there was a time where weed stocks just went crazy, and this is kind of that time in Feb when everything went crazy. The entire market was like, yeah, but that's kind of what that was. All right, what else are we looking at? Ticker symbols, guys. If you guys have any ticker symbols, let's take a look at them. Let's see if we can buy anything. I did buy some JP Morgan. We also did see some volume in GE just move in right now on the put side. So I don't know. Let's take a look at GE. Yeah, so we did see some volume trending downwards on GE. I don't know what that is, but we're gonna figure it out, I guess, over time. All right, ZOM. Let's take a look at ZOM. We were actually in ZOM, but we ended up making a ton of money in ZOM before we exited. So this is ZOM, currently trending, Zomedica, currently trending at 98 cents. We actually sold, as you can see right here, at $2.19. So we bought at $2.11, then ended up selling at $2.19. We ended up selling here at $2.53, buying at $2.11, selling at $2.19. So we made a profit here, bought back at a lower price, and then went back up. The thing is with these growth stocks, I think the whole market, we need a rotation. And the only way we're going to get a rotation in growth stocks right now, from what it's looking like, is going to be once the large caps are like fully kind of settled. MSOS still looking good. I don't know if I want to jump in. There's a lot of volume moving into MSOS right now. I don't know if I want to jump into it just yet. Actually, let me take a look at MSOS. Let me see if I want to buy some MSOS. Actually, you know what? I'll buy 10 stocks of MSOS. That's okay. I'll hold on to it. I'll keep my losses tight, my stop losses tight. So we just picked up some MSOS as well. Let's see what happens. Okay, there's some volume moving into MSOS just right now, so we're gonna take a look and see what is going on with MSOS. All right, what else we got? So we did just buy MSOS. And we're gonna just wait and see what it's looking like. It does look like it may be trending a little downwards right now. Yep. Let's look at ISNS. There's some movement there. All right, let's take a look at ISNS. Yep, there is some movement here for sure. Just popped up. We got a beautiful 16% move. Of course, we're going to be chasing if we went in it right now. It's too late. But look at that move right there. What else do we have? What else do we have? Disney. Disney moving very well, I'm assuming, for today. Okay, hold on. All right, Disney making a move. Still looking fairly good though. Let's take a look at the whatever we have here. So Disney on the RSI is kind of in between. So I mean, you know, it's a good time maybe to get in. I don't know. Yeah, I got into JP Morgan last week, but then I closed off that position. I did buy some JPM this week, just today, earlier today, in fact. So that's kind of what's going on there. Okay, so we are positive on JPM, we are negative on MBIO and MSOS. Now, luckily, the share count is very small, so it's not going to affect the portfolio in any way. We're just waiting for all the growth stocks to kind of really wake up. That's kind of where the bulk of our losses are, right? And all the ARCs to wake up as well. So ARCs did look like they were looking green. Now they are looking red, which means we are going to get ready to buy the dip at some point. It looks like all the growth stocks are suffering. So of course, as all the growth stocks suffer, ARC is going to suffer as well. I wonder if the portfolio is going to see $160,000 today. I mean, it seems like we're only $1,000 away. It doesn't seem like it's a big number, but let's see what ends up happening. Zomedica, we are currently out of. We're not messing with any of the growth stocks just yet. I'm not comfortable jumping back into them. We're gonna wait. Let's see some type of volume back into growth, and then we are gonna get aggressive on all the growth stocks. I actually think now is a good time to look into like PLTR options or like something like that. But it just really just depends. I have 850 shares. You think I should sell PLTR calls? Just to be able to make a little bit of a premium, because I could do that. I could sell some calls and make a premium. Maybe sell the $30 calls and make a premium on $30, $31, $32, because I have 850 shares in PLTR. Might as well make a premium on them while I'm sitting here and doing nothing. They're just sitting here and kind of really underperforming. Alright, let's see what else is going on here. Let's see GME. Let's take a look at GME and see. What do you guys think of GME? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna buy 1 share of GME. I feel like it is there is a little bit of reversal going on here. Let's take a look at GME. We just bought 1 share of GME at $175. Now I'm not putting my market, what do you call it? I'm not putting market buy. I'm just doing market buys. I'm not putting in a number, just because it's quicker. That's not the best way to buy stock, by the way. So if you guys are buying more than like 1 or 2 or 5 shares, just make sure that you are actually putting in the price. Because when you do market on Robinhood, especially on Robinhood, it sucks because they're gonna make you kind of they're gonna make you kind of really suffer for whatever reason. So just make sure you put numbers in. I just did a market buy because it was at I am picking up uptrend, so I'm not too worried about it at this point, or it looks like an uptrend to me. AMD, yes, AMD, I think you are correct. I actually did have AMD last week, and I was hoping that it did a little better, but you are right, AMD did dip a little bit. And AMD is actually a good buy in my opinion right now, where it's at. I just don't know where the market's going, right? So let's wait. Let's see what's happening. If this dip continues, because I think it may, just based on the entire portfolio. Let's see what happens. Okay, what else is going on? So okay, AMD is looking good. AMD we're gonna keep a watch on just because I think it is looking good. I do like the way it is looking right now. Also, I want to make sure that you guys can hear me okay. Can you guys hear me okay? Could you just do okay? Is it too loud? Is it too... Hold on, let Let me get the decibels a little lower so that it's a little better. I don't want that crispy noise to come on in the lives. Okay, what else we got? AMD is on my watch list. We may trade AMD. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at Nokia, because I do know Nokia is looking good. We already own Nokia, by the way. We are actually looking at getting out of Nokia fairly soon, so we do own it. And I'm aware that they did crush earnings, and I'm also aware that they will do fairly well. Look at this. I sold 100 contracts of Nokia for $3,300. If I had those right now, I'd be making some money. I would be making some money, which is what we kind of want to do, right? Okay. What else do we got going on? Okay, so PLTR, good purchase for the day. GME so far, good purchase. JP Morgan, good purchase. MBIO, we are down about 2%. Let's take a look at MBIO. Our cost average is 323. We are down. It is down to 317 for the day. We're going to continue to hold it. There's no reason to panic just yet. We are going to continue to hold it. So we're holding it. We're holding MBIO. We're holding GME. And we're holding JP Morgan. Oh, MSOS is coming back. It's turning around in the green. So all our day trades for the day are turning around and coming back in the green. This could mean that we have a little bit of a reversal or not. I don't know. It just depends. Market is a little weird right now. So let's see where we end up. Okay, what else we got? Let's look at Apple once again, because I really want to get into Apple if I could. If I find an opening in Apple, I'm definitely taking my shot. Okay, so Apple doesn't look like it's ready just yet. It will be, just not yet. Okay, let's look at BTWN as well. BTWN also not ready to jump into, in my opinion. Let's look at Disney, because I like Disney. I'm just going over my watch list really quickly. Actually, you know what, guys? Disney may be getting ready to buy as well. So we're going to keep Disney on our... So we have Nokia, we have Disney, and we have AMD as of right now. Okay, let's take a look at Facebook as well, because I know that Facebook... Ooh, nice. So, once again, we're not going to buy Facebook just yet, just because we're going to wait for this dip to go a little deeper. Okay, we're going to try to pick it up. So Facebook is good on our watch list. We are good with that. I just don't want to trade. Like I said, I'm not feeling really risky today. So we are going to hold off and see what the first day of May has to present, right? Historically, May, like I said, guys, has not been the most fun month to trade in. And so we're gonna why using Robinhood to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum? It's the worst platform to buy crypto. Yes, you are right. I agree with you. This is just for my YouTube challenge. We're trying to get this portfolio up to a certain number. I added Bitcoin and Ethereum to this number. I actually use BlockFi to buy the rest of my crypto. BlockFi, eToro, Coinbase, and I think I got a new app. Let me see what it was. So I use BlockFi, eToro, and other apps. But since this is a YouTube challenge portfolio, we are gonna continue to look at it. Okay, guys, so I am looking to cost average my way down. So let's get in it. It's 316. I think 316 is good enough. Let's see if we can buy another maybe 50 shares here to drop our cost average down a little bit. Okay, so share 317. Let's just get in. So we brought our cost average down here to 320 now. We're no longer at 323. I will continue to bring the cost average down if need be. Okay, so not too much of a problem. Let's look at Microsoft really quickly. If Microsoft touches 250, it may be worth us looking into. Okay, what else? What else are we looking at over here? What else do I have? I have Macy's. We actually exited Macy's earlier today. We made a little bit of money there. I think we traded it. We traded out of Macy's at 17.18. It is currently sitting at 17.16. which means there may be an opportunity for, or 717, it may be, there may be an opportunity for us to jump back in. I don't know, we'll think about it. We're gonna think about jumping back into Macy's. All right, what else have we got? NVAX, let's take a look at NVAX. Did someone mention NVAX earlier today? I believe somebody did mention Novavax today. Lots of people getting priced out. If it goes below that $200 mark, we could see a little bit of a run. It's down 15%, guys. So for those of you who are holding, that's cool. Let's look at Amazon. I don't think we took a look at Amazon today. Let's take a look at Amazon and see what Amazon is looking like. Okay, just give me a sec. Ooh, nice. So we are currently at, I don't know if this is support or not. Hold on, let's just quickly take a look here. Okay, so RSI is going lower. MACD did reverse, and we are seeing a sell-off pattern. So let's see. If it holds, that's good. If it doesn't, we are going down from here. It's just weird, guys. It's just weird. All these companies have amazing earnings, and that's kind of where we're at. Yeah, I agree. CCIV, you feel like it's gonna move, and then the whole EV market takes a dive, and then it just doesn't move, and you're like, you know. So I get you. I actually have CCIV right here on my watch list. You guys can't see it. It's below here. But it is on my watch list, and it is down 3.9% today. So that's something pretty interesting. It's weird because the PLTR calls that I have are doing okay. Portfolio is down to 157,800. We were close to 160. Took a dive, and that's probably just because of the options that we have. So we're not too worried about that at the moment. We are starting to notice all the ARCs go down. I am heavy in the ARCs. They are my long-term. They are my portfolio. Yeah. Okay, so it's okay. What else do we have? What else do we have that we're looking at? That's kind of what we're looking at, guys. I'm looking for stuff really to, like, you know, kind of figure stuff out, but it doesn't seem like there's anything that's interesting just yet. What else? Okay, you know what, guys? It's 9:57, so it's almost 10. I've been on for about an hour. I'm gonna get off the mic right now. I will give you guys an update on the portfolio end of day. We're gonna make some more trades. We're gonna make hopefully some larger trades. I just need to keep looking, and you know, we kind of need to figure our way out. The majority of my portfolio right now, just before I go really quickly, is BNGO, NNDM, PLTR, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. Those are, I would say, the 5 largest players in my portfolio. I believe in all the companies. I think they're doing amazing things. We just need to wait for rotation to come back in to move the market and my portfolio back up. Portfolio at its highest was at around 200,000. Now we're at 160. So we're about $40,000 away from ultimate high, which was on Feb 19th. We're gonna get there. I'm not too worried about it. It seems like things are coming back. So let's see how all of this ends up playing out for us. All right, guys. I'll see you guys end of day. I am going live today at about 8 p.m. Central, and we are going to discuss a lot of things, including real estate. So for those of you guys who are into the real estate part of the channel and want to make money there, I think this is going to be very